Hello everyone, my name is Sam, and today we are repairing the exit on the roof. I received this video from a client. When it rains, it's leaking here. And there is a flood. I quickly found what the problem was. The polycarbonate cracked. It's probably very old, and it is not resistant to ultraviolet radiation. Or he suffered some mechanical damage during some works. I will dismantle the aluminum frame that attaches the polycarbonate. I measured the dimensions, and according to the measurement of 1 by 1 meter, I cut a new piece of polycarbonate. I put glue or silicone on the frame on which the polycarbonate is fixed. I also put glue on the edges of the polycarbonate. I put the aluminum frame back in place. And the job is done.